Yes, what we have seen so far, we have seen the Runge Kutta method, that we are in the second half of the fourth unit, and we have seen the basic formulas of Runge Kutta method, that is second order mathematical uh, equations for solving the Runge Kutta method, third order, and finally fourth order, and simultaneous differential equation. If we are having all x, y, z, then we need to depend different formula rather than the formula which we have seen in the past slide, and we have solved one problem in the Runge Kutta method, and this is the problem we have seen yesterday, and the results of the yesterday problem is 1.24135, and for third order, and 1.24149 for the fourth order. And concerning the practice problem, and this was the result. As said by your friend, he is concerned about y1. Y1 is right, 2.20517. Similarly, we need to carry forward to find the y2, because we have h in this problem is 0.1, but they are requesting us to find the value of y.2, and therefore we need to proceed the problem twice. And in the first iteration we need to put the h is equal to 0.1, and for the subsequent also we need to keep h is equal to 0.1, but based on the past results we need to go ahead, therefore we will get the value of y.2. See here what happens, k1, k2, k3, and delta y, k4 and delta y for the first iteration, that is k h is equal to 0.1, but our x0 and y0 is equal to, as it was given in the problem, 0 and 2, that we need to consider. Once the iteration is over, then we will get the different x and y based on that x and y, but with the same h is equal to 0.1, we need to go ahead now to find the y of 0.2. And I think that was missing. Your friend didn't said the y2 value. Have anyone solved? Further to find the y2 value when h is equal to 0.1? What was our y2? That is y at 0.2. Anyone solved? And this was the result. That is y1 is equal to 2.20517, and y2 y1 plus delta y1. It is, as it was similar to that of zeroth iteration, we need to move further now to find the y2 value. It was same, that is 1 by 6 delta y is the same, and our k1, k2, and I didn't share the formula for x1. X1 is equal to x0 plus h. Take your x1 is equal to x0 plus h, as it was mentioned here, and our x1 is equal to x0 plus h, and based on that we need to apply the various other values. You will get the k1, k2, and k3, k4 delta y, and therefore your y2 is equal to 2.42139, and this is the solution of yesterday's practice problem. I am reminding the practice problem concerning the do you have any difficulties during solving the problem, during the solution? Do you have any difficulties over this particular practice problem?
Sir, for a second, can you show me the value of K1, sir?
K1, here I have 2.20517. This is K1.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, for today's class, we will request 6 to 10. 6 to 10 to join with us. That is serial number 14, 14, 17, 23, 24, and 26. Please unmute your mic, and please use a calculator. Runge Kutta method needs calculation, a larger calculation. Therefore, you do your calculation patiently, and you please respond with this. Have you joined Arvind Roshan, Ashwath Ram, Bhavya, Kalyan, Chitesh? Please unmute your mic till the presentation. You please join with us. Okay. Yes. This is for today's problem. Using Runge Kutta method, please make a note that in the Runge Kutta method we will solve the problem. Using Runge Kutta method of fourth order, solve for y at x is equal to 1.2, 1.4 from dy by dx is equal to 2xy plus e power x divided by x square plus x e power x with x naught is equal to 1 and y naught is equal to 1. Okay, here what was the h value? Based on x we can find the h value. Here we have the initial x is equal to 1. On later stage we need to find x is equal to 1.2. What was y? And if x is equal to 1.2, what is our y? That we need to find. And here see 1, 1.2 and 1.4. Therefore, what is our h? What is our h?
Point 2.
Yes, 0.2. 0.2 is the h. Okay. We can rewrite the given dy by dx with y dash, and that is the function of x comma y. And if it is the function of x comma y alone, then prefer these formulas. Else, if it is x comma y comma z, then we need different formula. That is simultaneous Runge Kutta method of solving formulas are available. That today we'll see that too. And our x naught y naught, our h is equal to 0.2. If x is equal to 1.2, what is our y? And if x is equal to 1.4, what is our y? In the first iteration, we will find the y value at x is equal to 1.2. With the aid of that results, we need to carry the results in order to find the y value at x is equal to 1.4. And this is when y is equal to 1.2. Please take your calculator. Instead of x and y, we are going to adopt 1 and 0 respectively, and our h is equal to 0.2. Please take your calculator and cross check the results. I have shown the results, but still you take your calculator. Even apart from this 5, that is 14, 17, 23, 24, 26, those who are interested to solve, but I am requesting all to solve. If anyone solved earlier, you please tell me the result. Whether it was right, please cross check and tell me. E power 1 by 1 plus e power 1. That you first find e. What is your e power 1 divided by 1 plus e power 1? First find that particular value and tell me the result. E power 1 divided by 1 plus e power
1. So 0.731.
Very good. Well, okay. Multiply with 0.2.
Yes, sir. 0.1462.
0.1462. Very good. Ashwath Ram, who is telling the results? Who is this?
Chitesh, sir.
Chitesh. Okay. Good. Okay. Now find the value of K2. The thing is, we need to adjoin h by 2 and k by 2 in accordance with the x naught and y naught. And therefore, you do patiently. It will take time, but no issues. We will solve one by one and get the values individually and then try to solve. Here, x naught plus h by 2 and y naught 2xy plus e power x, and x square plus x into e power x. That was the formula. And you join your h by 2 with x naught and k1 by 2 with y naught. Therefore, we will get this equation. And instead x naught, h naught, and k1, we are going to apply those values. And here 2 into 1 plus 0.2 by 2. Here y naught is 0. We got the k1 value, and divided by 2 plus e power 1 plus 0.2 by 2 by 1 plus 0.2 by 2 the whole square plus 1 plus 0.2 by 2 e power 1 plus 0.2 by 2. You try to find the individual values. Here we have 1 plus 1.1, 1.1. Here 0.1462 divided by 2. We'll get 0.0731 instead of this value. Here E within bracket, no need, 1.1. 0.2 by 2 will get 0.1. 1 plus 0.1, it is 1.1. E 1.1 becomes 3.004. And please make a note. And here 1.1 power 2, 1.1 the square, you will get 1.21. And here plus 1.1 into the same result of 3.0, I think 3.004. By doing the other simple calculation, it is 2 into 1.1 into 0.07 something plus 3.004 divided by the 1.21 plus 1.1 into 3.004, and you will get 0.1400. Okay. Have we got the same result? Shall I move further? Got the same results or?
Sir,
Yes.
I'm getting 0.1402.
1402. Okay, that was the issue with the digits. What was the digits kept by you? I don't know. Here I have taken around 6 on the numerator and 5 on the denominator. No issues. Please note it down as 0.1400.
Okay.
Only one response, please. Other four, and the other 30. And our K4 is equal to, find the value of K4. Find the value of K4 and find the value of K3. Find the value of K3. Okay, I'll go ahead with the presentation. Once you got the time, then you solve one by one, because I didn't receive any response. Only one is responding. I think just all are listening. No issues. When you have time, at that particular time, you please calculate and please make a note. I am going further because we need to solve. There are plenty of problems left now to complete the syllabus. Our K3 is equal to 0.13991, and our K4 is equal to 0.134809, and this is our delta y. And by applying the various k values, you will get delta y naught is equal to 0.14015, and our y1 is equal to 0 plus 0.14015. Will get y1 is equal to 0.14015, and similarly we need to find the value of y of 1.4, and this is what the given. But here what was the essential information we need to remember is instead our x0 and y0, we need to consider the x1 and y1 value that was found based on the first iteration, that is 0th iteration. So 1.2 is our x1 and 0.14015, that was the results of y1, that we need to carry forward now to find the y of y2, that is y of 1.4. Here k1 is equal to 0.134822, sorry 22, and k2 is equal to 0.130305, and our k3 is equal to 0.13012, and our k4 is equal to 0.12601, and our delta y1 is equal to 0.13028. Therefore our y2 is equal to, we have y1 and delta y1. By accumulating these two values, will get y2 is equal to 0.27043, and this is the result, that is the given x0 y0, x1 y1, and our x2 y. If our x is equal to 1.2, our y is equal to 0.14015, and if our x is equal to 1.4, then our y is equal to 0.27043. And this is what the Runge Kutta method of solving simultaneous differential equation. Runge Kutta method for solving simultaneous differential equation. And before that, we will request someone to share the current affair. Already all are in typing mode. Yes, go ahead, Nishant. With the Nishant, information will move further. Nishant, go ahead with your IPL or any other content in the newspaper or in the news channels.
Nothing special happened yesterday. Like CSK
Okay.
lost. CSK is out this IPL.
Anyone from Gujarat? Anyone from Gujarat? In R35, anyone from Gujarat?
Sir, I live in Rajasthan, but I am from Gujarat.
Very good. May I know who is this? Amala Srikanta?
No, Anand sir. Anand Modi sir.
Anand Modi. Yes, Anand Modi. Yes, Anand Modi, say something about the Bhadranangal project, Anand Modi. Do you know about the Bhadranangal project?
Sir, I have not heard, sir.
Okay, please have a visit and please share with us. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And regarding the banning of the alcohol, and whether it was good, it is not available in throughout the Gujarat. Liquor drinking is banned. Modi, Anand Modi.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it right? May I right? May I right?
Sir, I couldn't hear you, sir.
Liquor drinking. Liquor is banned through the Gujarat. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But the availability of other form of liquors or with the second market is available. Is it so?
Sir, I don't know, sir. I don't drink, sir.
No, man. That information that we know. Anyway, I appreciate it is very good that even it was an information. Okay, fine. And one more thing that the all other state persons has two loans. If Vimalation is replied, like who is like Anand Modi, I saw you post. Vimalation, Anand Modi, be aware with your friends. You have posted some photo, and in the classes itself, your friend is saying, okay, that was a different issue that we'll discuss in other class. And there are two different loans available, and in each are heads. That is, one is state loan, and the other one is national loan. The state government and central government receives loans from World Bank and IMF and other funding bodies, and each person carries two different loan in the head of state and central. And but for the Gujarat people, they doesn't have any loan in the head of state government. Um, I think, am I right, Anand Modi? Do you have any idea over the loans, state government loan?
Sir, I have not lived in Gujarat, sir. I've lived in Rajasthan my whole life, so I'm not aware of Gujarat as such. But I'll search and let you know.
Okay. Anyway, fine. Okay. Any other persons from Gujarat in R35? No, none. Your schooling and everything is in Rajasthan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, we'll learn the goodness of different states, uh, as we need to have attention over the happenings. In that way, we need to learn what was happened in Gujarat. Uh, Okay, and if it is feasible, you try to collect the information about the legal banding and the other the loan, state bank, state loan and central loan, and the third important is Bhadranagar project, and where it was where we have the dam, and what was the initial cost, and how the cost was divided by the people, and how they are collecting the fund for sharing the waters. That we need to know. Please, if try to have a search over the search engines, and please disseminate the information. And most importantly, we need know about two personalities, two CM, and one is Mamta, and another one is Pinarayi Vijayan. And Mamta, anyone from Mamta state, and anyone from Kerala?
Yes, sir, from West Bengal.
Yes. Who is this? Who is this?
Sir, Abhishek.
Abhishek, you are from
It's West Bengal.
West Bengal. Yes, yes, West Bengal. And we need to in all matters we have to learn the decision made by Mamta. The other states has to learn about the empowerment and the views of the state government. That is in particular Mamta's view. Uh, Abhishek, that if it is feasible, you at one class you share something about Mamta, and for every policies which was made by central government, the first visionary view will come from Mamta, and in accordance with Mamta's view, from Kerala CM also respond as early to Mamta as subsequent to Mamta, he'll respond. And the things, the decision made as earlier. The others they will try to learn the policies, but Mamta respond earlier than the other chief ministers, and that we need to know. Hitesh is from Hitesh, you are from
Sir,
Kerala?
me? No, sir, Tamil Nadu.
Yes. Vimalation, if it is feasible, you unmute your mic. You are giving your active participation, but we didn't hear your voice. You try to make it feasible. Okay, okay. Abhishek, is it okay? One class we can expect. Abhishek.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Sabrani, you are also from West Bengal. Vimalation, said
Yes,
by.
sir. Yes, sir. I sir, like I'm Bengali, but I've lived in various parts of India. Like
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, okay. Here, that the as I said, the goodness we need to share. In that way, you if you are wondered about the decision made by different personalities, you please share with us. Others also know. Okay,
Yes,
some
sir.
I think there is a problem with your surroundings. Okay, we'll move further. Do you want to share anything, or shall we move ahead? Anyone saw the movie Motorcycle Journey? Motorcycle, as I said in one particular class about say and Fidel. Isn't it? Have anyone searched about Che Guevara and Fidel Castro? And anyone saw the film Motorcycle Journey? A book is also available in the same head, Motorcycle Journey. That was written by Say. And I have asked the question that why is say is familiar, Che Guevara is familiar than Fidel. Have anyone searched about these people? No, I think no one. Okay, please try to learn about Say and Fidel. Fidel. None of the country given the medical team to others to rescue from the COVID, isn't it? But one country did. One country sent the people, the medical people, that is doctors and nurses and with the aids, medical aids, to other country to rescue the COVID patients. And do you know which country given the medical team?
Cuba, sir. Like,
Yes,
Cuba.
of course, of course, Cuba, and how they did a very strong decision. That we need to know. Once you are learned about Fidel, then you will learn how it is feasible. How Cuba is an example for other countries, and in particular with Marxian and Cuba, we need to learn many things from Cuba. And if anyone interested, please take and read about Fidel and Say. Then you will learn how they are ready to send the people to other country. That you will automatically will learn. And concerning the education and medicines, that they are both are in the hands of the government. And if time permits, we'll see the two personalities, that is about Say and Fidel. And the operation 500 Sorry, no, wait, just a minute. I will. Yes, operation 500 to 400, I think so. That do you know? Yeah, what was the intelligence agency in India? Have you? I think you are aware about the various James Bond films, isn't it? CIA. Have you heard about the word CIA?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is CIA? And what was the name of intelligence agency in India?
Sir, repeat please, sir. Like,
What was the name of the intelligence agency in India?
Raw, sir.
Very good, very good. Who is this? Anand Modi. Again, Anand Modi. Ra. What was the abbreviation of Ra? Yes. Operation. Sorry. Research analysis wing. Research analysis
Research
wing.
and analysis wing.
Very good. Very good. Research analysis wing. And okay. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Whatever the matter, only very few people only giving the participation.
yes, sir. There is a movie of John Abraham, sir, named Raw, sir. It's a good movie. You can see, sir.
Yes, yes. Who did the movie?
I think John, sir, John Abraham. Like I don't John. Like I don't know the full name, but it's John. Bollywood hero, sir.
Bollywood.
Yes,
Okay.
John Abraham.
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes.
yes,
Can have a look at that movie, sir, once.
yes, 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 yes. Yes. Similarly, yeah, we'll try to find what is operation 400 500. Give in Google and try to find operation 400 and 500. 400. I think so. I think so. I'll once check with the textbooks related to um, say and fiddle, and I'll once again I'll tell you. Okay, we'll see. We'll continue with the simultaneous Runge Kutta method for solving a simultaneous differential equation, and this was the formula. And we'll anyway we'll complete the entire problem, and with the aid of the video, you start writing the various contents, and we have the same formula, but the thing is that not is added with the x naught and y naught. Therefore, we should have two different formulas. That is k1 is equal to h into f of x naught y naught z naught, and similarly we have g of x naught y naught z naught, and k2 k3 and k4 all are very similar to that of the earlier formula, but we need to add with that of yeah, instead we have already introduced the term h and k. Here with z naught we are going to add the l1 by 2, l1 by 2, l1 that we will see in the problem, what is l1, how we can calculate the, how we will calculate the l1, and we will see, and delta y and delta z, and we are going to find y and z, y1 and z1, when we are concerned about the x. uh, y1 is equal to y naught plus delta y, and z1 is equal to z naught plus delta z naught, and this is the next problem, and that is exercise number 4. And please make a note, using the Runge Kutta method, tabulate the solution of the system dy by dx is equal to x plus z, and dz by dx is equal to x minus y. Y of, if y is equal to 0, z is equal to 1, when x is equal to 0 at the intervals of x is equal to 0.1, from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 0.2. and this is our f of x comma y comma z, and g of x comma y comma z is equal to x minus y. dy by dx is our f of x, f of the function of x y z, and the function of x y z dz, and dz by dx becomes g of x comma y comma z. That is also a function of this three, and that is different from dy by dx. Therefore, we are indicating that is g of x comma y comma z. The g doesn't have any specific abbreviation as such of f function, and our x naught, y naught, and z naught is equal to, we are going to find x naught and y naught, z naught is given as 0 0 1 0 0 1, and interval 0.1 we are going to find the value of at x is equal to 0.1 what is our other two, and x is equal to 0.2 what is our other two. And this is when 0.1 is at 0.1 or k1 k2, on one side we have l1 and l2, and this is our k3 and l3, here k4 and l4, and our delta y, and our y1 is equal to 0.141049996, and z1 is equal to 0.998, and similarly we need to find the value of y of 0.2 and z of 0.2, and the k1 and l1 value, and the k2, l2, and k3. We need patience. You see here there are plenty of wrong information calculated, and do the calculation patiently, and else you will get a different answer, or it may lead to an wrong answer, and k2, l2, and k3, and these are l3 and k4, l4, and therefore our y2 is equal to 0.2199, and z2 is equal to 0.998. This is the result. With the aid of the video, you please make a note, and you please have a calculator and pause the video and calculate the steps one by one, and if any deviation from the uh, accurate answer, you please let me know, then we'll correct with the particular x or y or z particular solution. And this is for your practice. This is for your practice, and
Can
please
you
write.
first page once again? I couldn't understand what was written over there.
Which one?
Sir, the first page of this fourth question.
First page of the fourth question. Oh, no.
Next page, sir. Sorry. Yeah, this one.
Hmm. Legard Saloni.
Yes, sir.
And please make a note of this particular problem. You try on your own, and with today's class we'll close the Runge Kutta method. There are plenty of problems are available. Anyway, we'll wind up the Runge Kutta method. Tomorrow we'll try to see the Euler's method. Do you have any specific doubt over the Runge Kutta method, and why we need to see the Runge Kutta method? As we are all mechanical engineers, why we need to concern about the Runge Kutta method? Anyone? Anyone, please? Anyone? Again, sleepy mode. Okay, if no doubts, we'll meet tomorrow. Do you wish to share anything? Anand Modi? Anand Modi?
Yes, sir.
The yesterday concerning the yesterday's presentation, you made it in two different videos.
No, sir, it's actually one video. I downloaded both. The content of both the videos is same.
Oh, you have visited the video, both the videos.
Yes, sir. Both of them are 30 minutes each, so almost same content.
Okay, fine. It is which one is having larger information? Whether the first video or second video? That will upload with YouTube.
The first one, sir, I think.
First. Okay, fine. Thank you. Do you have any doubts? Okay, we'll request Nishan. Nishan, go ahead with the informations. Nishan,
Yes, sir.
go ahead with the IPL.
Nothing big happens, sir. CSK is out of the tournament.
Out of the tournament. Unfortunate. CSK out of the
Yeah, I
tournament.
mean, they played very bad. And there was bad captaincy all over the season.
Okay.
I think now, like CSK youngsters will get to play more often since they're already gone. We'll at least see them play.
And so now they are eliminated also, CSK.
CSK eliminated. What Abhishek?
Yes, sir. So because it's not possible, sir. After winning all the matches, also they will reach up to 14 points. And if you reach up to 14 points, you have to believe on your fortune that you get a chance to qualify.
Okay. Which team is in the very good form? And what was your prediction, or which team will take this match?
So the Mumbai Indians are going in quite a good form, sir. We don't know that this one will be the fifth one for them because they are winning quite a good matches and they are winning in quite a good way also. So it's showing the confidence in them.
Okay. What is your view, Nishan?
Yeah, Mumbai, but they lost to two teams that are in the bottom place. Other than that, Delhi, I think is like will
Delhi
win
also.
this. Yeah, Delhi will win this IPL. I feel they're a very strong team as well.
Yes, Vimlesh also have the same vision. Delhi. Yes. Okay. Please have a visit over the happenings. And tomorrow, I think Abhishek and I have requested some people to know about the state's own state and the CM who is in the presently doing well. And please have a visit in the tomorrow's class. We will discuss. Once you got the information, we will discuss. And if you don't have any doubts over the today's class, we will wind up. We will wind up here. Okay, thank you. We'll meet
Thank
again
you.
tomorrow 12:30. We'll meet.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.